Hi, my name is Darcia Alejandra Silva López, code 1006-441-829, Unit 3, Tax Force. Why visit Yopal? Yopal is a Colombian municipal capital city of the department of Casanare. Its territory is 2,595 square kilometers and it is located above the 317 kilometers from Colombia capital city of Bogota. You can ride by net from any major city of or by land. What what do what to do? Go spot find 2 miles Unicentro, Alcaraván, Morichar Plaza, Trekking to Manars, Virgin Mary monuments and other landscapes, North Horse Rainforest of the town. Eat roads by berbers, carne a la llanera. Travel types. You must visit Doña Barbara restaurants to enjoy reality, nights for and enjoy natural environments. You must not visit some neighbors like El Progreso do the safety problem. You must not drink tap water to enjoy the Crossur rivers. You must trekking at the iguana parks. When to go Jopal? The best season to visit Jopal is summers in order to enjoy water-related landscapes like the Cross River, La Tebaida Waters, and others. Where to stay? If you have come the Jopal, you will find many commendation options like country-based cabins like Paraíso and Casablanca, and modern hotels, Hampton, like HL and Stellar. What to eat? Beef is the recommended for in Japan, roasted by beef and hamburgers in La Reds. Also, you can go to the food tour of Unicentro Miles. What to drink? Where are many places outside of the Jopal, like in Villa Siriwana? where you can enjoy natural hops, cocktails, closers, beer, and dirty fresh drinks. Thank you for visiting Jopal. Transportation, the best one to move around is by car, by taxi, is still or a small dog. Language, everything in Jopal is speak in Spanish. Country, everything in Jopal speaks is the Colombian peso. Typing, typing is in the clay in base, but it is up to you to pay it.